Hi, my name is Taylor Sorenson. I'm one of the project managers here at Utah Home Remodel Experts. One of the things that we pride ourselves most at Utah Home Remodel Experts is the fact that we are very transparent. We help our homeowners with a budget and turn their dreams into reality.
I had Utah Home Remodel Experts take my project from 0 to 60. We were completely starting from scratch. We were concrete, no walls, no insulation, and now we have a beautiful finished basement, a finished product that I'm really excited about.
The space, now that it's done, is incredible. I'm so happy with the results. Everything turned out just as I thought, if not better.
I recommend Utah Home Remodel Experts because my project went really smoothly. I mean, that doesn't always happen in the construction world, and of course there's hiccups along the way, but Taylor and his team really tackled those and helped me come up with solutions, and overall I'm so happy with the project and I cannot recommend them more.
I would definitely recommend Utah Home Remodel Experts. I think they do a great job and they keep everybody in the loop, and the price was right.
And I really liked the process of going through and picking everything out first, because that way there was no surprises halfway through the project. I knew exactly where my budget was going to be because we went through step by step, picked all of our finishes before the project even started, and that way I knew for sure what I was going to get.
The budget didn't change the whole time once it got set, which was really, really nice. I'm very happy with them. I would definitely recommend them to any of my friends or family.
If you have a home remodel that we can assist you with, reach out today and schedule a consultation.